Isang Memorandum of Agreement ang nilagdaan ng Department of Health Ilocos, Center for Health Development, Department of Labor and Employment Region 1, Civil Service Commission Region 1 at Department of the Interior and Local Government o DILG Region 1, kaugnay sa implementasyon ng Healthy Workplace Strategy sa Rehiyon 1. Layunin ng mga ilalatag na programa na pahalagahan ang well-being ng mga manggagawa, hindi lang pisikal, maging ang mental at iba pang aspeto para sa kabubuti ng kapakanan ng isang empleyado.
Kasi it requires multi-sectoral approach. So the DOLE, it ensure the labor standards and of course the compliance sa government as well as in the private sector. So the CSC oversees the public health sector, public sector health and wellness policies. While the ILG, they engage in LGUs to integrate the programs locally. So, of course, we cannot do it alone, and by working together, our agencies ensure a comprehensive coverage, technical support, capacity building, and, of course, sustainability, creating a unified approach that effectively promotes health, safety, and well-being across both the public and the private.
Layunin din itong maipatupad sa iba't ibang sangay ng gobyerno, maging sa mga pribadong tanggapan. Naniniwalang otoridad ng pagkakaroon ng healthy workplace ay magbibigay ng mas produktibong resulta sa serbisyo ng mga empleyado.
Now we focus with yung ating mga micro-establishments because about 98% ng ating economy ang nagko-contribute po ng employment ay micro, small, and medium. So we provide free training po sa kanila. In fact, we have a target of about 9,000 this year na small and medium establishments to be trained on occupational safety, accredited safety officers level 1 and 2 as the main implementer po sa kanila. And we provided the training free of charge. And they're required to submit reports on the implementation of the occupational safety and health program. Nang sa ganun po ay nababalidate po, namumonitor natin na ang implementation ng law is indeed very comprehensive, lalo-lalo na po sa ating micro and small enterprises. Na doon po yung bulk of workers.
Hikayatin din ng bawat local government unit na manguna sa pagpapatupad ng iba't ibang programa para sa healthy workplace para makamit ang work-life balance kung may programa para rito.
We will encourage LGUs to adopt the healthy workplace framework by embedding it into local governance processes. Ano po yung mga local governance processes nito? Like planning, budgeting, investment programming, while strengthening capacity and accountability. Napalog po dito yung conducting targeted trainings, workshops, seminars, and other capacity building interventions to equip and strengthen LGU officials and personnel with the knowledge and tools na kailangan nila to implement the health promoting policies within their LGU workplaces.
Titiyakin din umano ng CSC na mamomonitor ang pagbibigay prioridad sa health intervention sa mga manggagawa.
Every agency must establish and maintain a functional safety and health committee, wherein the head of agency is the primary accountable official for integrating these health programs in the annual work and financial plan of the agency. This means that workplaces are now subject to joint monitoring, reporting, and technical assessment from multiple oversight bodies.
Joan Ponsoy, Balitang Solid North.